Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Okay. No more calls for now. Let's start. When I hear my callers now, I don't hear my callers. So, Mama Nora, you get callers so. Send me here, I still get my own callers. You don't understand me so. No, they feel say, as you they do this thing so, people they call you, that they contribute, that they praise you, that they support you. Hello? Yeah, hello? Yes? Yeah, good evening. Please load the one where you said they watch. Load the one where you said they watch me. Load the other phone. Load the other phone. Load it, please.
Don't mind them. You understand? That is unlock. That is what I want to just contribute. Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Good night. Thank you. You hear her? That is her luck. Her luck. And not me. I'm not the cause of your problem. Hello. Hello. This is her luck. Not be me cause harm. Before your husband come meet me, I'm not ready to get crashed. Not that your not why they call her husband. Before you know they come meet, so I'm not ready to get crashed, my guy. Just say the truth and let the devil be ashamed. But you they talk. But you they try to align me now. Say I don't understand. And they try to understand why you they call me out. I never still understand why you they call me out. Eh? Your man they deal with me normally with day. You go call now. No, they say you go come they call me. Based on which level now? You want to talk to your man, you talk to your man. Hello? Good evening, ma. Okay. He did last speaker talk. No worry, he did last speaker talk. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah, hello. Yes, you calling? Yeah, I can hear you. Contribute.
You are right. You are not wrong because I'm also men. You know, the fault is for the men, not for you.
What are you on,
That's not
men?
your own problem. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, if the woman where she did as the doing responsibility as a woman, I think the man will not leave her for us to go committee for France. So it's not your fault. You can write down. If it is your luck, then you carry on. That's all.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes. Now, man, oh, he's a married man too. I can contribute. So, hello. Yeah, good evening. I hear you.
What did they worry all those women?
I don't know what they worry them on, my sister.
What did they worry them? Are you be the problem?
I don't know that be the problem, oh.
All those useless women, when they go to find the truth, they're not going to find the truth. What if your
My sister, I tire. Oh. I don't know the one why I hold though. I tire.
Nonsense want to be this one. Now what they decide? One when leave your wife, leave the woman come go meet you. That means the woman not there enough for her. She not there enough for her. Men are sit with men and they talk. I mean men are leave this innocent girl. Make she rest. Other useless women for Europe. Other useless and useless. We don't frustrate for Europe. Men are leave this one speaking men rest now. Since yesterday. Eh?
Since yesterday, I never rest, oh.
How many years this pikin be? Una go fit born this pikin. Una carry am sit down for ground. This one go talk him own. Collect am. This one go talk him own. She don born. And then so what? So what? She don born. So what? Some nonsense useless people be this one. I mean, wetin I want to be that.
Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. Thank you so much, eh? Good night. Thank you so much. Good night. Thank you. Imagine. Imagine. Am I the problem? Am I the problem? Am I the problem? Am I the problem? Mama twins. Oh yeah, sit down now and ask yourself if I'm the problem. Sit down, may you ask yourself whether that may be the problem for your marriage, for your relationship, because it's not, you were not married. Am I the problem? Me not the problem. How me take be the problem for your relationship? Tell me one thing want to be the problem for your relationship. Before your shitty husband, they cheat on you. You know you got me town. Now me you want call? Hello? Yeah. Good evening. Yeah, go on.
Any other time, man, I gotta fit, you understand? So, if the woman like, if you want damage that, shall not the man come meet you, tell you saying like you, then.
Now you toast me, oh, now you.
I said, I ain't toasting now, so no problem, now you follow up.
I don't know why the woman they ask, they shout, they cry. As they don't understand the calling out on social media, I don't understand that part.
Why you gonna cry? You know, your husband, and your husband you go need to talk to. Then you not concern you cannot get banana.
Not be husband though. Now let pikin born for round. They not marry oh. Now pikin born.
Mama, you know the shame. You know that the shame at all. Now go kill.
You don't already kill your ma. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Come off my phone. If I tell me to make I take it easy, you know go. You don't go tell my man and make it cut take it easy. Hello. Yeah, hello. I don't want to talk. I'm gonna wait for the call. Make I talk. Make I talk my mind. Mark on they play voice record. Mark on they play all of na voice record because I dey vex. The way why I be like where he beat me for my body like this, I dey paro. Because not me that's the date boy. I'm not the first. I'm not be the first person on the date boy. I don't understand. People say you there with Papa Noah. Let's know comfy. Who be this mogul? Now they come here again. Problem. Like seriously? Since yesterday, now not let me rest. I never drink up that keep cup. Since yesterday, they call me, they shout my name on social media. They shout my name. Everywhere I go now is my name. And then they already spoil. You just can't spoil and finish. My name already spoil now. You just can't spoil the name finish. Yeah, hello. I can hear you. Be free to contribute on this matter.
to pay your visit or whatever. I don't give a fuck. So you should just eat the kind of bread you want to eat. You shouldn't bother yourself. Don't listen to any fucking rubbish explanation from anybody. That's all. Thank you very much.
Okay, bye. This is the kind of callers I want. They know when to end their call and when to call. Hello. Okay. Okay. Your mama woke you. You gotta punish your family for idiot. Bastard. Hello. Are they fine, my brother? Abi. Did they hear you?
This is another woman tomorrow. That one will see born now. So that man will be a shoe. No, you want to walk up past.
Okay. Yeah, I hear you, bros. Mogo. No. I'm not maybe I started for the pen now. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Now I'm not taking calls anymore. You say whether your husband tell me something about you, eh? Well, make I play the voice record. I will play on because the matter already cast. I go play the voice record and I have to seriously play on. The gets. Hello. Yes, I'm fine. Okay, talk.
On social media, don't let her see that man again. She not go see Enogie again. Make she not bother.
Abio. Tired. Now show me that go make me leave the man. If I want to leave Enogie now, show me that I want to leave her. He not be wife for. Okay, you're not gonna football for Nigeria. You see? Uh-huh. No, na dead, na demons. Mm-hmm.
You know they go anywhere. He don't cast you for social media, and he go there with you.
Nah, do or die. Nah, it be okay. Yes, you know, I don't hear my sweet caller speaking. That is my sweet caller speaking. Hello. Go die. Go advise your mama. Go and advise your mother. Yes, so Mama, you called me out. Let the shame begin. You can never shame the shameless. Say, sir, you cannot shame the shameless. You cannot. You cannot shame the shameless. It's not possible. It's not possible. You not be shame the shameless. You not be shame the shameless. How is it even like I have the weights. I'll play on. I'll play on. I'll play on. It go shock you. It go shock you. Me. It go shock you when I won't play. You know the respect. Hello? Yeah. Good evening. Okay. Okay. Why you want me the woman cry? Come on for here. idiot bastard. I shall kill your ma. Idiot. Make the woman cry. Cry visit you, idiot. We alone. Yes. Good evening. Okay, no problem. Okay, no. Okay, no problem. Everywhere good. Yeah, later. All right. Okay, bye. Now they know the sister call me so. I'm a part of the family. Wait, hello? 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 I'm fine. Okay. Yes.
Enogie or you are dating a Enogie, anything that you want to do now is not going to hurt the woman. It's going to hurt Enogie. You understand? So, please, my sister, if you have anything that you want to play, any voice record, please don't play it. It's not the sake of the woman, the sake of the man. Because the man took you as your daughter. You understand? So,
I'm not his daughter. I'm his girlfriend, madam.
anything you are going to do now is going to hurt the boy. It's going to hurt Enogie. It's not because of the woman. It sounds because I'm watching you here. The way you bounce the call, I'm still surprised now that you don't even cut my call now. Yeah, please. It's not because of Enogie. Carry on. Tomorrow, Nana, they will still be using it to be laughing at you. So please.
You don't talk past your limit. So that is it. I will play it. Nobody go tell me make I no play am. This thing, this one, I will definitely play it. Hello. Yeah, hello. Hello. You come and make you not talk. Hello. Yeah, hello. Your mama. See your picture. See your mouth. See your nose. Idiot. Come on, get that. Mia, I'm if it's now. Oui, hello. Yeah, hello. You are free. Contribute. That is what your mother is. Your mother, your father, all your family people join together. Bastard. Get out. Me, I sabi you now. Yeah. Let's call her. Hello. Yes. Good evening. It's not on speaker. It's not yet on speaker. Talk. Yes, I can hear you. It's not on speaker. It's not on speaker. I can hear you.
I'm big. Guess.
This one sweets me. Oh. Well, I'll be like a bicycle. Are you tired? I don't understand the way that they think.
For Q, with the rest where they for Q, one call the carry me. I beg go.
I don't know.
Oh, no.
And also this world where we did now, boys no many.
Come on, so that people where they never fuck, make they still fuck, they are beg. Wait, see.
The one just died there. The one just died. They don't just like get many pass for this Europe. The one just died there.
What be that? We be that.
Just imagine. Just imagine. Alright. Okay. Bye, my love. Alright, bye. Yeah. We hello? I still get fans, so you never talk. Mugu. Come up for here. I block you. 53, 30 something. Call me again. They ask me a question. We ain't. Maybe this. These two now one block. Block. Blocky. Block this one also. Pick this one. Hello? Yeah, good evening, ma'am. Please load the other speaker, please. I can hear you. And sister, they go. Don't wait till they talk for you today with that one. No, come add join this topic. I think I'll beg you one change topic. There you go. Yes, so my people. Yes, so. Yes, so. Yes, so my people. Yes, that is it. I know they fear to so fucking ash, my guy. I want to play the voice record. You understand? I want to play the voice record. My grandfather beg me. He beg me say make I not play the voice record. But I go play am. I go play am because since yesterday night I never rest. They call me. This saga continue. This saga no get ending. You don't go end. You already call me out. I can't tell you, sir, I don't leave a Enogie for you. For not coming out, for talk to me privately. For Hajelife. Not be now. It's too late to cry when the head is off, huh? It's too late to cry when the head is off. I'll play it. Wait. I'll play the voice record. I also feel they record my thing yesterday because I know say something must go wrong. I know. I don't understand. Hey. For this small Facebook wall first they manage, so you just can't scatter. Facebook wall of us they manage. You reach your tongue, you scatter around. You scatter around. Mama twins, you scatter around. Hello. Yes. Go on. I will not pay it in patient. Nobody is paying anybody. This like I'll play it here. I don't want anybody to pay me. I will play it in this video. Yes. Alright, thank you. Bye. They show it. That is it though. That is it. Oh, that was my WhatsApp, my pin. Now you take call me. My WhatsApp, my pin. Now you take come. No coming for this WhatsApp. Because you don't read. Coming for this WhatsApp. Because you don't. I go play the voice record clearly when I go hear them. Okay. Make I play one for now. I know they joke. Me, Perry. I'll deal with one. Oh yeah, let's start the playing of the voice record. Let me play it.
Perry, you know say I love you. You know, I beg. Don't do anything to hurt me. I beg you.
Even till now, my person for here, he still they beg me. they beg. You can't they call me out on media. Your husband they beg me. Your husband they beg me. When I go say not be a voice with that one. He editor. Now editor that be my play my repeat that part. Voice record many. My records. Come record many. Many. When I don't come here, they play something. My off my data, my player.
Hello, Perry. You know, say I love you. You know, I beg. Don't do anything to hurt me. I beg you.
Now one part I play so. Now one part I dey play so that I'm not taking actions on this video, now because of the love my get for my guy. If not be the love my get for you, see this live video, we don't scatter and rearrange her again. You know me now. You know me. You know me. If not be saying now these things now, you know me. Say I don't scatter and don't rearrange her again. They call me out on social media. For what reason? For what damn reason? For what reason? And you're coming out like that? Not be your husband get this voice. Oh yeah, can't prove me wrong. So not be your husband get this voice. Come, now this one I'll play for the now. But if I vest now, I'll still play the other ones. Make everybody just stay mad. They go. I can play this one.
Perry. Hello, Perry. You know, say I love you. You know, I beg.
Shame don't cash her. Let she go hide her face. Woo! Shame. Woo! Enter house. She never cash you now. He never cash you now. Unless small place so. For someone they play voice record where they this my phone, we need to close Facebook opener again. Because even as even your matter, the voice record in my phone, I could offload like this. The offloader. Maybe the truth where they find since now they for seeing. If not be say I dey respect you. So I love my father, I dey respect him. Now when I go tell no say, social media, things get level. We'll do things, I tell you, say if I come out for you, shame don't catch her. You don't catch her, if shame don't catch her. I be you now, if I finish now, if you go come me home, everybody now you they fight. People may want help you, they fight them. People may want to support you, they fight them. They fight everybody. How they want to support you now? How they want to support you, they fight everybody. Everybody they fight. No one will do you anything, you they fight me. I'm not doing anything. I don't do you anything. Nothing they fight everybody like that. Say wrong. I don't want to listen. Say wrong. Say wrong. No fit. No fit. I go call him. I go put him for last week and I go hear what he wants to talk. Now what they hear is still begging me to stop. Call for her. She deserves it. And you boy, I don't want Saga. You don't want Saga. You dey put your body for Saga. You don't want Saga. You dey put your body for Saga. Hey, you don't read. You don't want Saga. You dey put your body for Saga. But you don't want Saga. Show na the serious when no want Saga. This is the beginning. The beginning. The next one again. And my man know may stay they cry, they beg, I will still post. That one where you cry for live video soon. tomorrow now chat I want post. I just finish that design. I want to post all of my chats. I want post them because I don't vex. Who be all this one where they call me? Who be all this one? Who be all this one? Eh? Who be all this one where they call me? If you don't get this my WhatsApp number, where did this live video stay call me? No try and call my direct number, my guy, I'll block you. Now when say the reason why say they calm down be that oh my sister. Now when my godfather they calm down because of my godfather now they calm down because he's really going through stress. Woman, when you call your when you just come they carry you they work out for live video. Now wait make me they calm down be life not be in my sister. You know me now. You know me. How it be you now? Eh? How it be you now? How it be you now? Eh? How it be you now? When they carry fake news, they work out go kill now with on Facebook. How it be you now? It be you. Like seriously? No. I don't believe say I go to do this kind of live video for you one day. I don't believe if person tell me say one day I go sit down to do live video for you. I don't believe her. I don't believe her. Because you're supposed to not say if you get any problem, you go meet your man. Person where you call your man. You go meet some. Hajeli fail with him. Settle things with him. Not bring me in. Because bringing me in is to scatter everything. Tell me to make I go born boyfriend. I go born her. Yes. Like seriously? They cry, they come live video. Any small you don't they cry. Only one word, never I tell you that you don't they cry. And after I they come they come for a lot of people. We shall see. Not they cry that the way you just talk one word, you don't they cry. Say they tell you. Any small you don't they cry. You don't they emotional, you're crying. Don't they emotional, you they cry. Why? Who are you deceiving? Who are they deceive? Deceiver! Who are they deceive? You never deceive. You cannot fool me. Fit fool anybody. Fit fool anybody. You don't go fit fool me. I'm the last person where you go fool. Yes, of course. Last. The last, of course. Last person where you go fool now me. You not go fit fool me. Fool your followers where they follow, where they support you, they do bad. Fool them. Yes. Your followers where they support you, they clap and they follow you for bad things. Now then you go fool. Not be me. Because I know say you not go fit fool me. So people you go fit fool. Now you the fool. Because I know that you cannot fool me. Money is not everything in this life. You hear me so? You where they comment for you, so you get money, now you they comment for your broke ass bitch. You be like sign, I be like not my friend. And no get money and so I don't understand. Now money and person they find. No, they see peace and happiness. May you talk about it. Peace and happiness. We did consign us, we did consign money, consign what they talk for you. I come like this my WhatsApp. Eh? You want saga me? Talk for that live, that's not a joke she do. Are they ready for your saga? You they see and say ya. Now joke this one day. I don't say you serious. You want your saga me? No saga. Man, Saga you. Saga. Come out again. Come out again. And they wait for you. Come out. Yes, so come out. And they wait for you. Come out. Can't talk again. And they wait